Look at this huge hole like a snail. It is slowly crawling on the ice-cold surface of Pluto. This once caused a shock to astronomy. So what the hell is going on? Is there really extraterrestrial life on Pluto? If I give you a free sightseeing opportunity, what strange and terrifying scenes will you see on Pluto? In fact, the unknown creature that looks like a snail was captured by the new Voyager Detector Imaging Unit in July 2016. In the image, only a creature that looks like a snail is crawling on the ice-frozen ground of Sputnik Plateau. This became an absolute focus topic at that time. A large number of astronomy lovers believe that NASA has discovered extraterrestrial life, but the scientists later found that it was just a moving iceberg floating in the denser ocean. But no matter what it is, this planet was discovered by Tom Cruise in 1930 in Cape Verde. Although it was ruthlessly eliminated by the International Astronomy Association in 2006, is still the focus of human exploration. Don't think it's just a frozen world. In fact, the latest data shows that Pluto may still be a living planet. So now let's get to know it in detail. Pluto is about 5.9 billion kilometers away from the Earth. Even the Sun takes 5 hours to reach. It takes about a year for humans to reach. So if humans have a speedboat, we only need more than 5 hours to fly around Pluto. As soon as you arrive, you will first see the huge star-shaped landform of this planet and a dazzling blue light around Pluto. In fact, this is a strange scenery formed by a delicate carbon fiber rift through solar radiation. But don't be confused by its appearance. Without special equipment, you will die instantly. At this time, 1.9 million kilometers away from it, you will also see a celestial body called Charon. They're like a pair of intimate partners revolving around a gravity center. So if you're on Pluto, you will see Charon, which never sets, always looking at Pluto. As soon as you land on Pluto, you will first feel an extremely low temperature of 239 degrees below zero. It is the coldest place in the solar system except for absolute 0 degrees. If you take off your special equipment, you will freeze to death instantly. At this time, you want to see the scenery in the distance, but you will only see a small, quiet scene in front of you. No matter how far you look, you can't see it clearly. Because even if you stand on the surface of Pluto at noon, the brightness of the sun is only 1% of the Earth. If you live here, you have to stay up almost every day. But if you can stay here for a year, then you will definitely feel that it still has a living atmosphere. But a year here is enough to have the Earth's 248 years. With the current average life of humans, it is possible that even a third of Pluto will be difficult to persist. But if you can, you will see the latest image taken by New Vision. This alien world is covered with interesting ice, such as fake balls and frost on the surface. These ice will also be moved by geological activity. This can also explain why Pluto will leave traces of climbing. In addition, there are also glaciers that have had active eruptions and even floating clouds. All this implies that Pluto is definitely not a dead planet. Although there is no life on the surface, it does not mean that there is no liquid ocean hidden inside. Pluto is a virus that has been frozen for billions of years.